to everyone who is watching this video. If you are younger than me, I'm 20 years old. If you're younger than me, or if you're older than me, this is a sign for you to read the Shri Bhagavad Gita, because I have read it and I really want you to read it because it tells you a lot of things and teaches you a lot of things. But today I am here to talk about the lesson which I learned from the Bhagavad Gita, and that is the art of detachment. Yes, हमें भगवान ये समझा रहे हैं कि you need to be detached from, ये अपनी आत्मा को डिटैच कर लो from everything the world have. Be a कर्म योगी. If you want to become God's favorite, be a कर्म yogi. What do I mean from it? Isn't that a universal fact that if you give your absolute 100% best every single day, you can never ever lose? That's what the Bhagwan told us in Bhagavad Gita starting के 4 अध्याय में, that you are entitled to the work but you are not entitled to the fruits which comes from it. And that's what I want to preach in this video. That's I want you to teach in this video, that भगवद गीता पढ़ के मुझे एक चीज़ समझ आई कि मैं जो कर्म कर रहा हूँ भगवान का सबसे फेवरेट बनने के लिए, जो हम सब समझते हैं कि हमें कैसे भगवान हमारे ऊपर ब्लेसिंग्स दे, इज बाय डूइंग द कर्तव्य विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, बाय डूइंग द कर्म, बिकॉज कर्म इज द ओनली धर्म फॉर यू. दैट इज वॉट आई लर्न फ्रॉम इट, कि तुम्हें सिर्फ कर्म योगी बनना होगा और भगवान को अपने मन में रखना होगा. And at the end of the day, you will be the God's favorite. That's what Bhagwan preaches in 4 adhyayas of Bhagavad Gita. Yeah, just that. क्योंकि मैं तुम्हें अब अपने आप से और रिलेट करके समझाता हूँ, तुम्हें और रिलेटेबल लगेगा और अच्छे से समझ आएगा. आज मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड में हमारे पास 100 डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं. यू हैव योर फोन जिसमें तुम रील स्क्रॉल कर सकते हो विदाउट एनी थिंकिंग, लाइक बार 2 3 घंटे तक. यू हैव लस्ट इजिकल्स टू पॉर्न विच इज़ ईजिली एक्सेसिबल. तुम्हें बस अपना फ़ोन खोलना है, तुम्हें सर्च करना है, यू विल गेट द वीडियोज़, एंड जो तुम्हें मेहनत करनी दे रही है. यू हैव a lot of people, like मेरे हिसाब से most of the people who are watching this video have a very nice home. They have 3 time का खाना. They do not struggle. They are living in comfort, so they are lazy. And you have no purpose because you have no goal. तुम्हारे पास इतना समय ही नहीं है कि तुम अपने पर्पस को यहाँ लेके सोच पा रहे हो. That is what is making you weak, because you are attached to all of this, because your soul is attached to all of this nuisance of the world. But what I am trying to teach you is that if you want to become successful, you need to learn art of detachment, because that is what God is preaching us. Yes, exactly. That is what God is preaching us. I am telling you that. Because if you want to become God's favorite, you need to give your absolute 100% by doing the work, by executing the work, by taking action every single day, and you will become God's favorite. You will become universe's favorite. You will become someone that believes in God, that is detached from the results of the work he's doing, and have a purpose in his mind, and just keep going towards it. I will say it again. You are entitled to the work which you are doing, not to the fruits which comes from it. For example, मैं एक YouTube क्रिएटर हूँ, so मैं YouTube में वीडियोस डाल रहा हूँ, बट मैं सच्चे मन से मेहनत करके वीडियोस YouTube में बना रहा हूँ, एंड मैं उन्हें वीडियोस को डाल रहा हूँ अपने YouTube वीडियोस में, तो मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं है कि उस वीडियोस में व्यूज़ आ रहे हैं कि नहीं. ऑल आई केयर अबाउट इज इट हेल्पिंग पीपल, और I am giving my best, and I am doing my best, and that's how you become God's favorite. And I am telling you that's how you're gonna be successful. That's how I will be successful in YouTube in this year. Yes, and this video is totally unscripted. I learned that lessons, and I felt like that you should too, because I highly suggest you, I highly want you to read Shri Bhagavad Gita. If like, it is the best time to read it. Do not delay मत करो इस चीज़ को, ना लेट हो. If you do not read it, just listen to क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ऑडियो बुक. एंड भगवद गीता की एक बात है कि तुम्हें जो चीज़ सीखनी है तुम उससे वो चीज़ सीखोगे. मे बी द लेसन गॉड वॉन्टेड टू teach me was कि you need to get detached from the results you are doing of the work. Like मैं जो भी काम कर रहा हूँ मुझे उसके रिजल्ट से डिटैच होना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट द आर्ट ऑफ डिटैचमेंट इज. तुम्हें डिटैच होना पड़ेगा सारी बाहर की चीज़ों से एंड तुम्हें कनेक्ट होना पड़ेगा इंटरनल चीज़ों से. अपने अंदर की चीज़ों से कनेक्ट हो एंड बाहर की चीज़ों से डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाओ, बाहर की चीज़ों से डिटैच हो जाओ एंड यू विल एक्चुअली फील मोर peaceful. You will actually feel more lighter. You will actually work more harder. You will actually feel more smarter and you will actually feel more to be honest more energized inside from you. Like तुम्हें लगेगा कि तुम कुछ भी उखाड़ सकते हो. And that is really important to have, which I teach in my previous video. That is the unreasonable ego. So yeah, Bhagavad Gita tells you the truth of universe, which is if you absolutely give your 100% every single day, you will never ever lose. And do not be attached from the results of what you're doing. Analyze them, understand the mistakes, keep getting better, but you are not entitled to the fruits which comes from it. Be the karma yogi and you will become God's favorite. God bless you. Hustle hard. Peace out.